paano naman natin i-deal yung pressure to, have it all figured out?
You realize na parang nung bata ka, you be like, oh yeah, in my 20s, I'd have it all figured out. Na that's the pinnacle of adulthood. Na yeah, dapat may sarili na akong job. I'm like doing everything. I'm independent. But then you realize na pag tungtong mo ng 20s, what the hell is going on?
Oo.
What is going on? Like, where does your pressure stem from?
Siguro sa akin, more on sa family. Being someone na panganay in the Filipino family culture, kailangan mong maging someone na, okay, independent ako yung maging breadwinner, etc., etc. Yung movie, yung Encanto, nakarelate ako sa lahat ng characters. Kay Luisa, kay
Kasita.
kay Mirabel. Ayun, so parang, ang favorite ko doon na song is yung Surface Pressure, na parang it goes like, kumanta.
Broadway.
Parang, give it to your sister kasi diba? Give it to your sister. Your sister's older. Sino ako para sabihin na hindi ko kaya? Parang ganon.
Yeah.
Parang merong ganon na pressure. Kasi for most of my life, outward yung pressure. Na, okay, kaya ako naging competitive, kaya ako naging sobrang conscious sa mga achievements, etc. Siguro it's because growing up, gusto ko yung naging tayo.
Therapy?
Naging therapy session.
Okay lang.
Na
Where does the
parang,
pressure
yes,
come from?
growing up, I felt like I need to perform. Doon siya nanggaling outward. So parang ngayon, nasa portion ako ng life ko na okay, ano yung pressure na isa-set ko naman sa sarili ko. And if hindi ko siya makuha, nandun ako sa time din ngayon that I'm also teaching myself na it is okay. It is okay not to conform with the standards that the world is throwing to me. And it is okay na sometimes you fail. And failures will always be there.
Yeah.
Ayun, ikaw naman,
Okay lang.
Ano ba?
No, I understand where
Yeah.
that comes from. Like, parang, I don't have the same family pressure na mag-breadwinner, ganon. If your pressure comes externally, mine comes internally, for sure. I have this, I'm gonna carry it over to being a woman.
Go.
I have this internal pressure of, because by the way, as I said, I want to pursue a career in medicine. And one of the things about medicine is it takes time. It takes time. It sacrifices the best years of your life for the service of others.
Yeah.
It's a profession that demands so much sacrifice from yourself
Yeah.
that the pressure to withstand pressure is
Yeah.
very strong. There's also pressure na alam mo yung mga kasama mo sobrang gagaling, kakastellar, mga ganon. And sometimes it's the imposter syndrome. Most definitely that's beating me up.
Nasa kasi tayo, nasa 20s kasi tayo.
Yeah.
So siguro one of the things na kailangan nating i-understand as people na nandito sa stage na to is, sabi mo kanina, these are the best years of our life. And at the same time, ito rin yung best season na season 1, season 2 na pwede tayong magkamali.
Yes.
Na hindi talaga natin kailangan i-figure out lahat at this stage.
Yeah.
I am hearing a lot of stories from young millionaires and everything. But you have your own timeline.
Yeah.
And alam ko na may mga tao na parang nafe-feel nila na hindi ko afford magkamali. I don't have the privilege to
Make a mistake.
spend a month or two to just find myself. Parang ganon. Been there. After ng graduation ko nung undergrad, 2 weeks after, nagka-work na ako. So parang kailangan ko na agad maghanap ng work kasi hindi ko afford na hindi kumita ng pera. Parang gano'n. And even before college naman, may mga part-time jobs na ako noong time na yun.
Yeah.
Kung meron tayong overarching na concept,
Yeah.
it's being kind to yourself na, okay, it is okay to fail,
Yeah.
it is okay to make mistakes,
Yeah.
and someday, maging okay din yan.
Yeah, I mean, like, it's okay to make mistakes as long as you learn from it. And
Yeah.
like, the best time to make a mistake is as early as possible. And like, the constant pressure of you being in your 20s to know your shit when you don't even know yourself well enough to, ano ba yun? Like, parang, ang alam mo lang is kailangan mo mag-succeed, but you don't know how.
Yeah.
It's hard for you to figure out how. And I guess the only way to figure out how is to trial and error.
Kasi, ano siya you will not learn if you will not commit a mistake.
Yes.
And ayun yung, tama yung trial and error actually in the scientific rin. Diba? So kapag kunwari, trial 1, hindi naging okay.
Yeah.
I-figure out mo ano yung mali. Tapos i-correct sa trial 2, etc.
Learn how to
From
troubleshoot.
scientists kasi. Sorry,
Learn how to
agriculturist.
troubleshoot.
Yeah, oo. Since we are also talking about committing mistakes, etc., blah, 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 what is that one thing na you could advise your younger self?
An advice that I would always, no doubt, give to my younger self if I had the opportunity to is stop giving a fuck.
Oh my, that book is life-changing for me.
The Subtle Art of Not Giving a
Yeah.
Fuck. Okay. That's a good book. That's a good book. Yeah. Pero like, it was growing up, I had like terrible self-esteem. I lost myself. Like, alam mo yun, during the pandemic, it was difficult to find myself and stuff like that. And then I don't know, like there's a lot of missed opportunities just because I was afraid of being judged or afraid of being cringe or afraid of what others thought of me. No one gives a shit because they're all thinking about themselves.
Yeah.
I could have done a lot of different things if I just didn't listen to what other people thought. That mostly stems from a family thing. Na parang the idea of like, dapat ganito yung take mo para sa pre-med mo. Ganito yung mo, dato dapat. Pero ito lang ang pwede mong gawin kasi yan yung end goal. Basta yun yung biggest advice.
Yeah.
Giving a shit about what other people think.
Isa rin yun sa mga parang naging life-changing book for me. Yung message doon na parang, you are not special. Talagang nag-stick yun sa akin to the point na somewhere in this world, I know that there is also one person who is experiencing the things that I am experiencing. Kasi kapag in-acknowledge natin na okay, hindi tayo special, meron ding mga others na meron din silang sariling problema. For me, sa case ko, it became a way for me to be kind to other people, no matter kung sino man yan. People from restaurants, people that you meet dyan lang, etc. As someone who was also a teaching associate, ayun yung naging tool ko for giving mercy and compassion towards my student. Na okay, meron ding problema tong mga to aside from me na teacher nila. So as much as possible, I make sure na okay, yung class natin, it will be chill, but you will learn a lot.
Yeah.
Ayun yung parang naging sa akin, going into the academe, na okay, I need to be kind to everyone, no matter kung sino man sila. Except kay,
It's called Sonder.
Ooh.
Yeah, Sonder is parang you come to realize na every individual is unique and complex.
Ooh.
Na they're going through very different stuff na you'll never realize what they're going through because you're busy sorting out your own. Like, it's kind of like, if you put it in a metaphor, it's like parang a building. Every single room may occupant and you don't know what that occupant is going through. You have to always realize na people are going through different things and that should always remind you that hindi ka special.
Yeah. Sa akin naman, kung mayroon akong i-advise sa younger self ko, siguro self ko to nung senior high school, and even college siguro, is to live life.
Yeah.
Kasi parang ito yung actually feeling kong isa sa mga pinagsisihan ko after graduation. Because trivia, I graduated 3.5 years and I
graduated 5.
And parang ginol ko na yon ever since agribiotech pa ako. And nung nag-shift ako, sabi kong ganun, paano ko na, like, kaya ko pa ba yun? But then, it happened. Tapos parang na-realize ko afterwards, okay, I made friends. I have friends from undergrad talaga. Pero parang hindi ko naranasan yung, let's say for example, committing mistakes ng undergrad. Hindi ako umiinom ng undergrad. Totoo yan, uminom lang ako after. Like, hindi ako nagpa-party, etc. Like, I did that April 2022 sa Baguio.
Natandaan pa niya yung date.
Yes. Anong tawag dito? I am really that student na, okay, ito lang yung kailangan ko gawin. Ito na siya. Go na ako dito.
Yeah.
Hindi ako lumalabas. I remember a specific instance when I was in freshman. Yeah. Iinom yung mga roommates ko and I created an alibi. Sabi ko gano'n, mag-meet kami ni ganito.
Just so you couldn't drink.
Yeah. So, and also,
Okay.
siguro coming from a culture then na masamang uminom
Mhm.
from the church culture.
Okay, that's okay.
'Di ba? And, valid naman yon.
Yeah.
Parang, ayun yung isa sa mga naghinder sa akin to explore college
Okay.
and be, to meet people and to also, you know, just experience college.
No, but I don't think that's a bad thing. I feel like
Mm.
it's just a testament to his work ethic. Na he
Wow.
can, I'm not kidding. It's a testament to his work ethic that he can commit to something just because he knows it's
Siguro.
bad. And it
Yeah.
could negatively affect your progress of finishing in
Gets.
3.5 years. So
Gets
you
naman.
have to give yourself some grace that
Yeah.
you have to give yourself credit na control mo yun.
Okay.
Na you don't succumb to your
Wow.
temptations.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Mm.
Well, I, on the other hand,
As someone,
as someone who loves life, do you know there's this Greek philosopher quote, or was it Roman? I don't know. There's this old quote by an old man.
sino, baka si ano pa yan si Thales, everything is water. Everything is water?
Hindi naman. I think it was ancient Greek. Pero yung drink and feast or whatever, for tomorrow you will die. I think it's called optimistic nihilism. I think that's the concept. Whatever.
Hindi ko siya na-meet. Nag-ethics man ako pero wala yan.
Oh no, that's just from like leisure reading on like
Okay.
surface level shit. Yeah. So it's the thought na parang live life. Live life to the fullest because you
Yeah.
don't know tomorrow what's going to happen.
Totoo.
And like the worst thing about it is regret. Syempre, I have regrets. But I'm happy to say na I did stuff that was self-indulgent
Yeah.
and I have no regrets on that.
Yeah.
Like,
Siguro ayun din yun parang nagbago sa akin nung nag-MS ako.
mm,
Kasi na-realize ko to nung transition ko papuntang MS na eh. So parang sabi ko gano'n, ngayon MS, kailangan kong i-enjoy yung life while also doing things. And
Yeah.
knowing myself, I am someone who is really organized when it comes to time management, etc. I can do two things at once. At once? Like,
multitasker.
tanongin nyo yung mga
Kaya niyang, kaya niyang kumanta habang
nagla-laptop.
nagtithesis.
Totoo. So parang kumakanta ako dito ng Rolling in the Deep pero nagta-type ako ng
Nagsa-stock
nag-analyze ako.
analysis habang bumibirit.
Totoo. So parang ayun naman yung naging okay sa akin ng MS kasi
Yeah.
I got to experience all of those things na okay, pwede rin naman palang maging productive while being, while discovering life.
Yes.
Ganon.
It's a balance. Kasi,
Yeah, totoo.
Kasi if you overindulge in happiness,
Something,
you get lost in that. And then if you overexhaust yourself naman in work, you lose yourself as well.
Yeah.
So you always have to find the fine line between the two.
Sige, ilang minuto na ba tayo? 40 minutes na tayo.
Ay. you have to realize na you're growing up, you're growing older. And it's not a negative thing, but it's something to be excited about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
So in this very
Moment. It's very
in this very blurred part of your life, transitionary phase in your life, what is one thing that you're definitely excited about?
Kasi nga, sabi ko diba, I'm a planner. Planner.
Muji.
And then, so I love to plan things. I have like milestones na nilolook forward hanggang 40 and
Wow.
beyond. Yeah, so I already have those.
You have a 5-year plan, 3-year plan, 5-year plan. Okay.
So, siguro it's knowing if magkakatotoo ba yung mga nai-envision ko ngayon. Unang-una, nakakatuwa na I got in sa UPLB and it was just a vision of mine nung high school ako. Then, I started a vision to also graduate in 3.5 years and it happened. I also had the vision to graduate on time sa master's and it happened. I started Sprout of Philippines back in 2020 and I envisioned it to be bigger and now nangyayari siya unti-unti. So, siguro ayun yung sobrang excited ako na okay, mangyayari ba yung mga nasa plan ko ngayon? And nakaka-excite siya in a way na okay, asa na ako 1 year from now, months from now, I have plans for next year.
Yeah.
Siyempre, hindi ko muna sasabihin yun. Tsaka na lang, surprise. Pero,
never let them know your next
move.
When you put your mind into it, I noticed that kaya mong gawin eh.
Totoo. Yung term ngayon, yung parang minamanifest mo sila.
Yeah.
So, nakakatawa. Ito, sobrang fun story lang nito. Kasi I'm taking a unit sa management this semester. Then, my group, parang start ng semester pa lang, minamanifest na namin na hindi tayo magre-report this sem. Kasi we have 8 groups
Yeah.
and we have 7 presentations.
Okay.
So meron lang isang
Isang hindi
grupo
magpe-present.
na hindi magpe-present.
Okay.
Tapos, nag-announce na last presenter last week. Hindi kami. Like, na-manifest namin every week. Kasi will of, will of,
Fortune.
Ano ba tawag doon? Will of names.
Yung randomizer.
Yeah, oo, yung mga random Tapos, may wheel, tapos iniikot. So, parang, sana hindi kami. And hindi kami magpe-present sa Management 201. So, na-manifest na grupo namin. And also, siguro, tama yung sinabi mo na if you really put your mind into it, you can do it.
Mhm.
Most of the conferences na ina-attendan ko, I have this gut feeling if mananalo ako or hindi. As a competitive person, I have cultivated this ever since high school.
Okay.
Like, alam ko talaga kapag may contest kami, if mananalo ba ako, feeling ko hindi ako mananalo. Or, mananalo ako, feeling ko talaga.
Uh-huh.
And I have those moments even up to now. As someone who also competes for international conferences, may competition na best presenter, best paper. So, minamanifest ko yung mga yan. Like, feeling ko mananalo ako ng best paper dito.
Yun.
And even yung work ko sa UP Manila, nakakatawa, nalaman ko lang kagabi,
I-expose mo na yun.
yes, na meron akong friend na i-chismis niya sa ibang tao na nalilipat ako ng UP Manila even kahit wala pang time, wala pang time,
Wala pang
kahit wala pang
confirmation.
result.
Uh-huh.
Oo. So sabi ko, thank you, manifest mo rin. So,
Oh, that's good.
di ba? Oo. Kaya nakakatawa, pinag-uusapan na namin kagabi. So yun, siguro, ang isa ring magandang gawin, considering na, okay, we are in this journey in life, is to share it with other people.
Yeah.
That is one thing that I have taught my younger self. Kasi dati, may tendency ako na, okay, akin lang to. Like, parang competition nitong buhay. Parang ganon. Meron akong ganon talaga nung high school na, okay, competitive ako. Kailangan hindi nila alam na ganito, ganyan. Yung mga strategy ko in life. Pero now, growing up, parang I started to let go of that competition. So ngayon, I share this tidbits of my journey to the people around me. At this point in time, I have identified certain people na ready to celebrate your wins with you.
Yeah.
And sobrang gold na mga taong yon. And ayun, nakakatuwa lang. And these are random people from random people talaga. And these are people from random times of my life. Let's say, for example, Aliyah, I just met her this year.
I did. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Sobrang random encounter.
Like, hindi kami,
Wild Pokemon.
like, hindi kami magkakilala nung undergrad, nung MSH, like, even though we're just one batch
Yeah.
away from each other. And even
Same
yung mga,
college too.
diba? Same college, same na mga courses supposedly. And even yung mga close friends ko na meron ako ngayon, hindi ko sila close dati. So you really can't test it based on the time of years na meron ka. As long as you are both willing to share moments together, to share your life together, then I think that friendship and that, life lesson na that you're figuring out will be fruitful. It will happen. Ayun.
I just want to touch on the part na sinabi niya na like his advocacy is to spread tips and tricks and advice on people who want to achieve certain things in life, and like yung parang you're giving advice on how to pass the licensure, how to cultivate your own agriculture. It's ano yung term mo yun?
Para sa bayan, aghamat agrikultura.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
So it's just really nice to see how you've come from something so competitive.
Yeah.
And then instead of gatekeeping the information, you choose to share it to people. Because that's growth, dude. That's growth.
If you will meet 2016, 2015 Arvin, sobrang Josh pala. Arvin pa kasi ako noon. Diba? So ayun na, the rebranding is also growth. Thank you for saying that.
Yes, of course.
Kasi I just realized na as someone who taught sa university, you have that big influence.
Yeah.
And nakakatuwa kasi I have students na ang tagline nila sa bio nila sa Facebook or even sa TikTok, may mga students ako dati na ang tagline nila is the same tagline that I have, like para sa bayan, aghamat agrikultura. And to see that be also embodied by other people, especially those who are younger than me,
Yeah.
that's something that is really touching. And at the
Yes.
same time, parang, alam mo yun, you don't, ang parang sinasabi kasi nila, in order for you to be successful, you need to, go big,
Yes.
buy these different things. But even just touching one life, for me, personally, that is already a success.
Definitely yes.
And ayun, wala, nakakatuwa lang to also have this movement then nung sa Sprout Up to spread further. And now we are an organization. We are a national organization. And ayun, siguro we'll talk on that on other podcasts.
Yeah.
Ganyan. Pero grabe, nakakatuwa rin na this started as an idea, random idea.
Yeah.
And now it has become a plant, a seed that has grown into a plant.
Like one of from one of my favorite books. It's The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. I don't know how to, but him. He wrote The Alchemist, and one of the most profound quotes that I've ever read. I've even dedicated it to my sublime caption. It's when you want something, the universe conspires to bring it to you, or something along those lines.
Yeah.
But you have to start with initiative
Yeah.
in order to create something.
Mm-mm.
And if it's even just a small thing,
Mm-mm.
you have to an actionable thing that you can do is put your mind to it,
Totoo.
and it will manifest itself.
True.
Kasi words become actions, action becomes habit becomes lifestyle, and lifestyle eventually becomes your life. I guess lifestyle becomes your life.
Lifestyle becomes
Your
a
personality.
testimony
A testimony.
A story.
A story.
that will inspire other people.
Yeah.
True.
And I think that's really something to be excited about, to start with something small.
And I think kasi siya because when you envision grand things, this quote from Catriona Gray, ano ba yun? Parang, every journey starts with a single step. From the song ni Catriona Gray, Raise Your Flag, every journey starts with a single step.
Yeah.
So if you will not take that small step, even that small
I'm pretty
action,
sure that's like a really old Chinese proverb.
Oo.
She
Oo
just-
na lang. Nakiruha na lang niya.
Yeah.
I don't know. From Lao Tzu. Pero ayun.
Confucianism.
Yeah, oo.
I don't
Hindi ko
know.
alam na Chinese.
Actually, hindi ko alam. But,
Oo nga, no? Pero feeling ko nga,
the most recent
Ah.
citation
is Catriona Gray
Gray.
20. Hindi ko alam, 2020 or 2018.
Very good one.
Well, we're researchers.
Dapat 10 years.
Yeah. Buisit. Pero legit nga,
Mm.
ayun, nakakatawa lang na, for example, this podcast,
Mhm.
we're starting this, no? Parang random lang to na
In
naisip
the
ko.
pool.
Sige, let's start with a single step. Let's
Mm.
press that play button.
Yeah,
And, yeah.
exactly. Like, we have this God-given gift to talk, and we are talking.
I'm sure proud sa amin si Ange. Shoutout sa inyo, Ange. Sino ba? Mark, shoutout din. Joke.
Congrats, Mark.
Congrats po si licensed agriculturist. Grabe.
I'm supposed to take it, but hindi ako nag-take.
Actually, my friend, nagchismisan mamaya na lang. Yeah. Siguro, ano ba? May daradag ka pa ba?
But I'm excited. I'm excited to go to medicine. I don't have anything else to say because that's like very treacherous, and like I don't know how people are managing that, but that's something I look forward to experiencing.
Yeah.
That's all I have to say about that because I'm not the best person to talk about medicine yet.
Yeah. Siguro, 6 years? 4 years from now.
Probably.
Ilan-
Or like
ilang
in the
taon ba
middle
ang
of
med?
like 4 years.
4 years, diba?
medical's
Tapos may
proper.
ganun-ganun pa.
Yeah, but
Parang
like
10 years yata ang med, diba?
girl, di ko alam.
Papasok kasi hindi mo alam. Joke.
Okay lang yun.
Okay, that's okay. That's
Start
faith.
small.
Yeah. To start small by reviewing for NMAT.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah. Yeah, siguro
We'll
years
check back
from
in.
now.
We'll check back in. And then we'll answer the same question.
Oo.
Ay!
Let's go.
Yeah.
Pero yeah, siguro this is a great way to start this. Although feeling ko episode something to, episode 2.
Yeah,
Ganyan. Pero yeah, this is a great episode.
it is.
And hindi ko in-expect, hindi, as someone na planner, natutuwa ko sa mga ganitong klaseng,
Spontaneity.
oo.
Yeah.
Ayun yung tinry kong ayun yung ine-embrace ko nung masters. And good thing
Yeah, it is.
na wala, nakakatawa rin to move out of that chronos, of that scheduled thing. Na okay, meron ditong
So it's like,
moment na you can,
He's just type A, I'm very type B.
pero average student talaga ako.
No, like, you don't have to be like a
Joke lang.
stellar student to be type A. You have to be just like a
Okay.
chronic planner versus a chronic spontaneous person.
Pero spontaneous person.
Yeah.
Yeah, pero ayun, siguro,
Sana may natutunan kayo.
oo. And again, I am Josh.
I'm Malia.
And we are...
Josh and
Wala,
Aliyah.